it's me. I hate making videos like this. This is like so corny, but I wanted you guys to see me. Anyhow, more snow. It is, what time is it? Oh, it's just past 8:30 at night. And as you can see, the snow is now all on the door. Whee! From what I understand, when the snow sticks to your windows, you are in a snowstorm. Oh my gosh, I can barely get the door open. Look at this. See? Push, 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 pushy. Okay, here we go. It's nighttime. I don't know how this is going to turn out. There's the door. Wow. I'm like going to turn into a snow person just out here. Holy cow. I don't know if you can see that, but like, alright, I will, like, this is our front porch, and here I am digging like a hole for how deep it is. Look at that. Wow. It's like, yeah, almost to the top of my boot. Holy cow. Yikes. Anyway, so here we are. We are outside. Let me get over here by a light. Oh my gosh, it's in my boot! Holy cow! Crap! We definitely have over a foot of snow out here. I'll go out to the street and just kind of see what it's like in the street since the plows have been going through. It's not so bad. I certainly would not want to be out here. Out here driving though, because the streets are completely covered. Anyways, I'm like getting really cold. Oh my goodness. You guys can't see this. I'll have to come out here in the morning, let you guys see what it looks like with when the sun comes up. But there are snow drifts all over the place. The bushes are covered in snow. Oh, the wind is blowing off snow off the top of the roof. I'm freezing. Let me get back inside. Ah! Oh, can you hear that wind? Whoosh! Ah, okay, back inside where it's warm. Okay, I am done. How do I look? Let's see. Oh, not too bad. I'm not too covered in snow. Let's see, my hair. Oh yeah, there's my hair. Yes, I did turn into a snow person, didn't I? Okay, ciao.